Today, we're going to show you this rare unit. AAG recommends this 2-bedrooms condo. It's brand new. Spacious living and dining area. Situated in an excellent location in the heart of CBD. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. This unit is move-in condition. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Fully furnished, just bring your luggage. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.